Hello my alien students, how are you all? Okay, I just wanted to explain you one formula here. Okay, just one formula. Okay, let's suppose, okay, I think I explain it in a larger view. Let's suppose this is my air terminal. Okay, let's say this is the width of the air terminal. Let's say 600 width. Okay, any comments? Okay, this is the width of the air terminal. Okay, the offset in the sense we'll have 3 lines. 1, 3. Okay, so 3 boxes we'll have total. Okay, this offset, fixed offset, okay, offset will be width divided by 6. Remember this. Okay, and if it is supply or return, you will draw the line. That is something else. Okay, then second thing, you will get this. Okay, this, let's say this is the inner one. Let's consider this as x. What x? This much to this much is x. Okay, this will be the equal to your flex duct width. So let's say we have flex duct, isn't it? This much would be x. Okay, and we have one offset here and one offset here. Now this distance would be x by 4. Okay, so we'd have something like this. This you remember, this is important. And then you have that gap, no, when he asks for measure, okay, you must put this number. Okay, for example, let's take this example. I do not know how much it is. 600 by 600, isn't it? Let's just double check. Draw a line or measure. Better measure. Sorry, this is not Revit. Measure. Just how much is this to this? 200. This to this 200. So can I tell x is 200? I can tell x is 200, isn't it? So draw one rectangle. 200 and 200 divided by 4 is 50, isn't it? So just draw a rectangle or draw a line. Listen, draw a line which is 200 going down. Beautiful. Okay, and going here divided by 4, 50, isn't it? And 200, and then C, enter, close. Okay, this is 200. Why it is 200? This width is equal to this width, isn't it? Excellent. Then what we'll do, offset divided by x is how much? 200. 200 divided by 4, 50. One here, we need it down. We selected wrong object, means, isn't it? Offset 50. What? Object down, object up. Okay, beautiful. Line, join this one to this one. My object snaps are playing because many things have been on. Worst habit to do, keep everything on, which is the one of the worst habits anyway. Okay, okay, is this clear? And we create a block for this. I just tell you one thing, this looks bad. Draw a nice spline, beautiful spline, from where the center of this F8, click anywhere, 1 point. When you're drawing, draw it straight, F8, isn't it? It looks good. Okay, let's create a block. Let's say flex 2. X divided by 4 was 50, no? Yeah, that was the, yeah, x divided by 4, isn't it? This looks correct for this size. Okay, so I hope you understood this class. Okay, the more important thing was this formula which I wrote here in yellow. Like if you like change the color, change the color. This is the most important thing. Flex duct formula, flexible duct formula. Okay, Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this class. We see each other in the next class. Take care, and we see each other fresh. Bye.